All these facts the medical fraternity must note. No surgery, no medication, no hospitalization, only meditation, intense meditation, intense faith in meditation, intense coaching in spirituality. We don't want any doctors in our life. We don't want any medicines in our life. We don't want any hospitals in our life. I am clearly seeing a world where there are no doctors. You know what is MBBS means? MBBS actually means Bachelor of Meditation and Bachelor of Spirituality. That is MBBS. I want to establish that MBBS all over the world, and I will do it. Bachelor of Meditation and Bachelor of Spirituality. What is Bachelor of Meditation? You must sit with closed eyes 3 hours every day. That is meditation. What is spirituality? Understand that you have to become friendship with everybody. You can't eat meat. You can't kill animals and call yourself spiritual or religious or even sane or a common sense man. Spirituality means non-violence, non-killing, non-interference. You have to become a vegetarian. That is spirituality. You have to become a meditator. You have to close your eyes and become one with your breath. When you have become a vegetarian, that is a compassionate person, you have become spiritual. Those people who are eating meat are absolutely anti-spiritual. This the medical fraternity should understand. And if they don't understand, they are doomed. They have to be reborn again. All the medical fraternity, all the people they have to get another physical body, another birth to rectify themselves. Better rectify yourself now. Meditation and Spirituality, MBBS, Bachelor of Meditation and Bachelor of Spirituality. Spirituality is nothing but vegetarianism. Everybody should be vegetarian. Why are they killing animals and eating them? Why are they catching the fish and eating them? That is the source of all the problems. There is no spirituality at all. You build a church, you pray Jesus and have chicken and mutton on your plate. You go to Mecca Masjid, you go to Hajj and have animals cut on your plate. There is zero spirituality. There is anti-spirituality. MBBS means you must become a Bachelor of Spirituality. You must become a Bachelor of Meditation. Spirituality is friendship with animals. Animals are not your food. How cruel it is to kill animals. How cruel is mankind. How far away from spirituality. Friendship, compassion. The whole world needs to become spiritual. Every person needs to become spiritual. And everybody must spend a lot of time in meditation. After 24 hours, 3 hours, you must close your eyes and observe your breathing. Every person needs to become MBBS person. I am an MBBS. I am a Bachelor of Meditation and I am a Bachelor of Spirituality. I am a Master of Meditation and I am a Master of Spirituality. Not even a Bachelor. "24 hours are there per day. What do you do? What do you do? Wasteful talk, wasteful thoughts, wasteful deeds. No learning at all. No friendship at all. Killing animals, eating them. Killing animals, eating them. Butcher. Everybody has become a butcher. And they build temples, they build churches, they build masjids. Very, very funny. And educated people. पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, गजब के लोग हैं बाबा. MBBS means Bachelor of Meditation and Bachelor of Spirituality. No more doctors, no more medicines, no more hospitals, no more surgery, unless some emergency is there. That too, temporary reasons. The medical fraternity refuses to learn from the meditation fraternity. They refuse to learn. They are so very egoistic, and they will suffer for that in so many incarnations. If you refuse to learn, you will come back again and again and again and again. Repeat the same course until you become wise. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. Punarapi janani jhatare shayanam. Don't come back again in one more physical body, human body. Use this human body perfectly and become the wisest of the persons. Become enlightened. Become a spiritual scientist. Through PSSM, everybody is going to become a spiritual scientist. The time has come for the whole earth to become a paradise through spiritual science, through meditation, through breath.